Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's topic is Profit Prediction App. We have created this web application using Streamlit. So this model will predict the profit value. So here are some parameters like research and development spend, administration, marketing spend, and state. Now let's give some input values. R&D spend is 2 lakh rupees. Administration, let's say 1 lakh rupees, and marketing is 90,000. Let's repeat it for Madhya Pradesh. Now we have given all the input values to the parameters. Let's click on predict button. So you can see that this model has predicted the value of the profit successfully. And now if you want to get the source code for this project, you can go on the file section, and from here app.py you can get the code for this project. So this is the entire code and it's the application. It's taking some time. Yes, so this is it. Thank you. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job, or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.